Hey guys, this is Vic from Grasping the Market and welcome to our market briefing. Today we had no change versus the Monday short session as we traded completely inside. But having said that, and because there's no change on the larger time frame, that doesn't mean that there's no good information from the session. As you can see on the daily chart, last Friday's high, excess high, daily excess high still in place. And after we had the short session on Monday, today we validated that move. So that for me, that's the key information to get out of the market today. We didn't get a sharp reversal from the move induced by news on Monday, which overall it puts some pressure on the market. Now, if we look at the market profile, we have a completely and perfectly balanced day centered around the lower distribution from Monday. We did challenge in the morning the excess left on Monday. We couldn't take it off completely, and the overall session was overlapping with the lower distribution. The separation between the two distributions was close as well, but nothing really happened versus the market we saw after those news came out on Monday. So value was established overlapping to low, and as I said, what is visible on the daily, the session for today, we had negative economic data and some concerns about on the trade front. So basically, we validated and accepted the move that we saw on Monday. So focus for tomorrow, we will focus on value development relative to today's. If we get acceptance below the afternoon low at 94.25, that will increase the odds of further downside and probably a continuation in the rotation down on the intermediate term range towards the 28.60, 28.40, that area over there. If we don't see that and we get overlapping, the market will be waiting for something to cause a break from this balancing. On the other hand, if we get acceptance above this key level at 29.0925, that will increase the odds. That will bring into play Tuesday's high, and let's remember that Monday has a weak and poor high, which is also an incomplete option to the upside. So if we get acceptance above today, the likelihood that we will take on that high is very high. As I've been saying recently, the market is reacting very aggressively to economic data, to trade news, and let's remember as well that on Friday we have non-farm payrolls, and we are getting really close to the next FOMC, where the market is expecting the FOMC to do something with the rates. So today was balancing, market are waiting for information. An important thing to mention as well is that I think tomorrow there's a few Fed members speaking. So we need to pay attention to what they say, if they give clues to a potential cut rate or not. As we always say, odds are just odds, so let's just keep monitoring. Today we validated the move down, no continuation whatsoever, but validating the move is the first step to continuation.